depending on where we are on our evolutionary curve, we are more animal, less divine, or less animal, more divine. Now, if we are more animal at that point in our evolutionary curve, what is the nature of an animal? It's beautiful, nothing wrong with it, but it lives by instincts. The moment it's threatened, it attacks, right? So an animal will hurt another animal only when it's under threat, the flight or fight response, right? Now, in human beings, this animal instinct is even worse because we have a mind that can imagine threat. An animal senses danger and attacks. So usually it's not attacking pointlessly, but a human mind can create enemies, create danger, and go on attacking. So the more we are linked to our animal past and less we've grown into our divine essence in us, the more we'll have an instinct which wants to hurt, right? And usually we want to hurt because we feel threatened. So even anger is really a form of fear, right? You have to feel inadequate and helpless first before you shout and get angry. So all the ways in which we hurt others is somewhere coming from our flight or fight animal response, our instinct to protect ourselves, which is sometimes very distorted. But think about it, whenever you've hurt someone, somewhere or the other, it's your maybe distorted way of defending yourself, of protecting yourself. Even jealousy, hurting people out of feeling jealous of them, is a form of protecting yourself. It doesn't really protect you, but you have the illusion that you're protecting yourself. You see the person you're jealous of happy, and that happiness threatens you. So you have the illusion that in lashing out at that person, you're taking away the person's happiness. So it's an artificial kind of solace, right? So every kind of hurt we inflict on another is somewhere rooted in our animal instinct to defend ourselves. And the point is, the more we grow into the Godhead within us, the more we realize that we don't really need to defend ourselves, that the whole universe is really friendly, that everything here is designed for our protection and growth. But the more anchored we are in our animal past, we are not open to this wisdom. We live by impulses, instincts, the vital which is not resolved, and that's what makes us really hurt people, whether it's with our thoughts, whether it's with our words. Every thought of ill will is also somewhere hurting somebody. We've done this many times, right? That our thoughts are not just here. Our thoughts actually have an energy which goes to the person and changes something in the person. So if you have a very negative thought about somebody, it will reach that person. Not that that person can read your thought, but somewhere that person senses it and changes towards you. So whether we hurt people with our thought or our words, basically any instinct to hurt another comes from ignorance. Yeah.